Are you sending multiple gifts at once? The Multiple Order Scheduler is the perfect tool for when you need to send more than 3 gifts at once and you want to save time on placing orders. This video is a step-by-step guide for the Multiple Order Scheduler. First, go to giftbasketsoverseas.com and sign up for a free account. Then, head over to your profile and find the Multiple Order Scheduler icon. Click it and you'll see the order dashboard. Press the Place New Order button to start gifting right away. On step 1, you can add as many recipients as you wish. Please select a country for each recipient to ensure you get the correct gift options. Your gifts can be ordered up to a year in advance and delivered on a date of your choosing. Each recipient can receive the gift on the same date, or you can set it individually. This ensures unlimited gifting, right on time, every time. When choosing gifts, you have a few options. Recipients in the same country can all receive the same gifts, or you can choose a unique gift for each individual recipient. You'll have a chance to review your order total before you press Next. This is the most important step. Your personalized message is the key to a great surprise. Our Multiple Order Scheduler lets you send a greeting card with a personalized message along with each gift. You can use the same message for everyone, or write individual messages, whichever you prefer. For our corporate clients, you'll be able to quickly and easily upload your logo or special greeting card design to ensure that you stand out. Filling in addresses multiple times gets tedious, but with our personal address book, you'll only need to do it once. Your recipient's information will be saved for easy gifting in the future. Your personal address book is safe, secure, and easy to use. Now we're at the last step. That was fast. From here, you can review and save your orders. Bulk orders need special attention, so we will check your order and contact you for payment information shortly after you've saved it. Once you've paid, you're all set. We'll handle the rest for you and notify you of major gift updates, especially once the gift has been delivered. You can also keep an eye on the delivery status of your gift through the Multiple Order Scheduler. From the dashboard in your account, you'll see the most recent updates for each order, so you can track everything easily, all in one place.